Hi everyone, I wanted to make a video on setting up the Raspberry Pi to do a basic web automation. So in this video I'll go through installing the necessary drivers and packages, and then later write a very simple script using Python. So we'll get started in the terminal. Let me make this slightly larger so everyone can see. We'll start by getting the latest updates on the Raspberry Pi. So sudo apt-get update, press enter. Alright, perfect. So next we'll install the Selenium Python package. Sudo pip 3 install Selenium. Alright, sudo pip install Selenium. Press enter. So just for informational purposes, Selenium is an open source web-based automation tool that we're going to be using with Python 3. Great, perfect. So next, before installing the Chrome drivers to make Selenium work, we need to check the Chrome version that's currently on the Raspberry Pi. So alright, Chromium browser version. So press enter. Alright, great. So the version of Chrome that we have is 74.37. Now we'll move forward and download the Chrome drivers. So unfortunately, the Linux version of the Chrome drivers found on the official website aren't compatible with Raspbian, the operating system on Raspberry Pi. But fortunately, through some long nights digging through forums, I was able to find a website that contained the drivers that are compatible with the Raspbian. So here it is. Don't worry, I have the actual link to the website within the description of this video. So you can just simply copy and paste that into your browser on your Raspberry Pi. So moving forward, let's see, we have version 74.0.3. So we're going to expand this and we're going to scroll down to look for 74.0.3. Oh, went a little too far. Here we go. So here's version 74. Now, I have to be honest, there's this weird anomaly that happens where once I download the driver 74 and I try to open it and install the packages, it doesn't push through. So a roundabout way of getting this to work was to install the driver version 73 first, and then later install version 74 afterward, and that seemed to work. 73 seemed to place the Chrome driver in the right directory, and 74 just kind of patched over it, copied and or removed the original version, then copied over it in the proper directory. So in this case, we'll download both of them. So I'll go ahead and download, click on this link, and it'll take me to 73. Go right here and download this. Yes, I would like to keep. So then we go back, download version 74, the Chrome driver, by clicking on that link and then clicking on this downloadable file. It's going to ask me the same thing. Yes, I would like to keep. All right, perfect. So now we'll show these in the folder, and then minimize this since we don't necessarily need it anymore. So the proper location directory for this Chrome driver is user bin. We'll go there right now and we'll look at what we have. Notice we have Chromium browser, and next to it there's no Chrome driver. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to use those two files that we downloaded to first install the Chrome driver into that directory and then later update it. So we'll start off with version 73.0 of the Chromium driver, and we'll go ahead and open that. We'll say yes, we'd like to install the file. It'll ask for your password. Just to authenticate this software. Just enter, and it's running. Installing the packages. Perfect. That's what we'd like to see. Just for verification, we can go back to the user bin directory, scroll down, and then see that Chrome driver is in fact there. So let's go back and install version 74 by opening it. Okay, yes, I would like to install. Installing the packages, perfect. So now that Chrome driver is updated to version 74. So we can go and open up the Python IDE, or if you're fancy, you could use the terminal to create your Python script. So we'll type the following. From Selenium, import WebDriver, grabbing WebDriver from the Selenium package. We'll say driver gets web. So driver gets WebDriver.chrome. For our final line, we'll write the following. So we'll go ahead and open up Gmail. Not Gmo, Gmail. Perfect. So driver.get and then the website Gmail. All right. So we'll go ahead and save this. We'll call it a test. And then we'll run it. So let's see if it works. All right, great. So it brought us to Gmail. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked what you saw. I'm going to go ahead and try and make more videos of these interesting projects that you can do with your Raspberry Pi. Again, thank you for watching and subscribe.